Imagine returning from work, only to find that your home was completely washed away by flood waters. That just happened in China. A catastrophic storm, born from the churning waters of the South China Sea, started as a tropical depression, but it soon escalated into one of the most devastating typhoons China has ever seen. Triggered by a combination of abnormally warm ocean temperatures and a strong convergence of atmospheric winds, Capricorn rapidly intensified, causing destruction on an unimaginable scale. The damage left in its wake was nothing short of heartbreaking. Families across coastal and inland cities saw their homes, built over years with love and hard work, reduced to debris in mere moments. This video captured in Gillen is particularly heartbreaking. These people returned from work, only to find that their homes were completely washed away. The sadness on their faces is unforgettable. The typhoon's relentless winds uprooted towering trees that once lined city streets, breaking them like twigs. The destruction didn't stop there. Capricorn's fury tore through power lines, leaving entire regions in darkness. With no electricity, families huddled together, terrified as they heard the wind battering their walls, hoping that their homes wouldn't be the next to fall. Residents captured scenes of chaos, roofs torn from homes, debris flying across flooded streets, and the ground beneath their feet shaking as the storm raged on. But perhaps most devastating of all were the floods. These are not rivers but flood water causing rampage on the streets. Footage shows cars swept away like leaves, families stranded on rooftops, and emergency services battling against impossible odds to rescue the stranded. The overwhelming surge of water carried away possessions, memories, and in some cases, souls.